Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we learn how to execute an array of promises in series using JavaScript. This technique ensures that each promise resolves before the next one starts, making it useful in scenarios where order matters. Let's get started. JavaScript executes promises concurrently by default. However, there are cases where we need sequential execution, such as handling API requests in a specific order. The function runPromise in series uses reduce to chain promises together. It starts with promise resolve and ensures that each promise waits for the previous one to finish before executing. Breaking the problem into steps helps us understand the logic before writing the code. Let's analyze how this works with examples. The execution begins by defining the function runPromise in series (ps), which takes an array of promise returning functions as input. We use reduce to iterate through the array, ensuring that each function is called only after the previous promise resolves. The initial value of reduce is promise resolve, which allows the chain to start without any delays. As each function in the array executes, it returns a promise that resolves before the next function in the sequence is called. This guarantees that the promises run in order rather than concurrently. This example ensures each promise completes before the next one starts, making it ideal for ordered API calls, animations, or batch processing. Executing promises in series is especially useful in handling API requests that must happen in order, such as fetching paginated data or running animations sequentially. That wraps up today's tutorial. Understanding how to chain promises properly ensures we can handle sequential tasks efficiently. Try modifying the code with different delays to see how the execution order changes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.